Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can increase mob spawn rate in Minecraft. So let's start. Okay, so here I am playing Minecraft, and actually there is no command or there is no option to increase mob spawn rate. So what you can actually do is to make the local dark. So for example, if you have torches all around, or if you have some blocks that are light or that has lights on them or emitting light, all you have to do is just destroy those blocks, because mobs do not actually spawn on bright areas. So all you have to do is just to make the local dark. Alright, so another way to do this is also to download a mod. So you can go to Google and search for this mod. So we're not going to cover this one for this video because it is going to make the video longer. But you can go ahead and search for this one, and it will also get you results. Alright, so that would be all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.